Ever wondered if your Steam Cloud saves are actually backed up? Here's how to check and download them yourself in under a minute. Open your browser and head to Steam's remote storage page. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Steam account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of every game that currently has cloud saves stored online, along with how many files each one has and how much storage they're using. If you've got a big library, you might need to scroll to find the game you're after. When you spot it, click Show Files, and Steam will list every save it has for that game. Click Download next to the one you want, and it'll land in your Downloads folder, ready to copy somewhere safe as a backup. Now, if a game you're looking for isn't showing up, don't panic. A few things could be going on. The game might not support Steam Cloud at all. Cloud Sync might be switched off for it, or your saves simply might never have been uploaded. Some games only ever save locally on your PC. A couple of things worth knowing: downloading a save doesn't remove it from Steam Cloud, so you can grab a copy anytime without losing anything. And downloading a save file doesn't automatically restore it. You'll usually need to manually drop it into the right save folder if you're trying to recover lost progress. That's everything you need to check and back up your Steam Cloud saves. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Steam and Windows tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.